Okay, so there's 3 washers here in the back, or 3 nuts. Nuts with built-in washers. It's 1 piece. Make sure it don't fall off. You know. And then it just slides off. Nothing to it. There's one hook here. There's 1 post here with no nut. Just slides into this hole. So see how that's got a big black rubber washer on it? That's how they're keeping the water out of this hole. Okay. So what I do while I'm working on this thing so it doesn't fall on the ground, put a cloth down or maybe even like a cushion or something if you got it. And then just put 1 washer on so it don't fall off. Okay. And here I'll show you. And then here I'll show you how this works. So here I'll take this washer off. Pull this off. Okay. And then this thing here pops down in that hole. Okay. There's nothing to that. It pops right out. Okay. Backside, there's nothing to it. That's where you change the bulb. Okay, so this thing, when I first started with this, I didn't know if this was part of the car or part of the light. So this is part of the light. It bolts on here. There's a couple little screws. Okay, so just pull this off. And then slide this in. This goes on top. Okay. Put a nut on so it don't fall. And then this goes on top. This goes on top of this. The rubber seal goes on top of this. Okay, and then just tighten up your bolts. If you got a socket set, it works a lot easier. You can do most of it by hand.